Now I am going to move on the same topic of class 7th, lines and angles, and concept is pair of angles. Now we are going to do the application of concept of angle of pair of angles in figures. In the previous video we have learned how to apply that concept in the case of word problems. Now we are going to talk about when the figures are given, how to apply them, how to write the solution, how to get the values. So like this is the figure given to you. This is the first question. You can see here that this is the question given to you. Here one straight line is there. The angle of the straight line is 180 degree, which has been divided by this particular line into two parts. One part is 105 and another part is x. Question says find the value of x. Now if we see, if we just hide this particular portion, if you just hide this particular portion, then you are getting 105, and this portion also when you hide, you find angle x. They both are adjacent to each other. This particular arm, if I name it as OB, so this OB arm is common, while this OA and OC, they are opposite to common arm. That means angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent, as well as they are forming the straight line. AOC is forming the straight line. So they are linear pair. Okay. So this basic concept we are going to apply here. So what the solution we will write here, that as we know that in the linear pair, as there are two angles, so this is the linear pair. The sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree. So write down the reason why, what is the reason? Linear pair. Now on the left hand side we can see that there is one variable x and constant, and here on the right hand side there is one constant. Move this constant from left hand side to right hand side, and on the left hand side what will left? Only x. So 180. Now before 105 there is plus sign, so it will become minus on the right side. Now subtract both of them. So what you are going to get? X equals to 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 0, 7, and 1 minus 1, 0. So uh, finally you are going to get x equals to 75 degree. So in this way, by application of the concept of linear pair, you are able to find out the value of x. Now proceed with the more problems. Now here again you can see, evaluate x. Now if we see, the straight angle 180 has been divided into three parts. One part is 75 degree, another part is x, and third part is 50 degree. Sum of all these three angles will be 180 degree. But as there are three angles, so they are not the linear pair. Now the reason uh, of their sum to be 180 degree is that they are forming the straight angle. So write down the sum of three angles equals to 180 degree. Reason is straight angle. Here you cannot write linear pair because in the linear pair there are only two angles, right? Now we can see that this is an equation which has constants and variable. So constants and variable, constant we are denoting by C and variables by X. So on the left hand side at first, sum 75 and 50 degree, what will come? 125 degree plus X equals to 180 degree, right? So X equals to 180 minus 125 degree. So X equals to 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 2, 5. So value of x is x is 55 degree. In this way you are able to find out, right? Now we are moving to the next question. Almost this question and this question is exactly same. Only the thing is that here the equation will be having only the variable terms. So what will come here? Sum of all these three angles 5x plus 4x plus 3x equals to 180 degree. So 5 plus 4 plus 3, 12x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 divided by 12. So x equals to 12 ones are 12, 6 left, 6 0, 15 degree. So value of x equals to 15 degree. So in this way you can calculate, right? Now come to the question number, next question. Again you can see the straight angle, the linear pair, the straight angle has been divided into two parts, and as this is the linear pair, right? So their sum will be 180 degree. Only two angles are there, so it is a linear pair. Again solve by the same method. The sum of these two angles 3x plus 15 plus 2x minus 10 is equals to 180 degree, right? Now constant, this is variable, this is constant, this is variable, this is constant, and this is constant, right? On the left hand side, add the variables with variables, 3x plus 2x, as both of them are the like terms having the same variable with the same degree. Then 15 minus 5, that will come 5 equals to 180 degree. Now transpose this 5 from left hand side to right hand side. It will come 5x equals to 180 minus 5. That will be 5x equals to 175 degree. Right. Now I need to find out value of x. As 5 is in multiplication on the left hand side, on the right hand side it will come as divisor. So x equals to 5 3s are 15, 2 left, then 2 5, 25. So x equals to 35. So in this way you can calculate x. Now here you can see this is which shape? X. Now if you remember in the first video of this angle pairs, I have explained one more type of angle pair, that is vertical opposite angle. These two lines are intersecting line. They both are intersecting at point O. Okay. So this angle and this angle are equal to each other because they are vertical opposite to each other, right? So you can see this angle is exactly same as this angle. What is the reason behind it? They are vertical opposite angle. So 3x minus 15 equals to 105. Reason? They are vertical opposite angle. Vertical opposite angles are always equal. If you have the doubt about this, you can see the first video of lines and angle where I have given the concept of vertical angle. Now transpose this 15 from left hand side to right hand side. As before 15 minus sign is there on the right hand side, it will become plus. So 3x equals to 120. So x equals to 120 divided by 3. So x equals to what you are going to get? 40 degree. So it is quite easy to calculate. You have to remember for the vertical opposite angles, you have to remember the alphabet, English alphabet x. You all can see this is in the way of x, right? You can see this is x. Now moving to the next question. See, now this is one point. This particular point has been divided into four angles. One is x, another is 75, third is 85, and next is 125. Now sum around a point is, sum of angles around a point is always 360 degree. Okay. So what will be the solution? 125 plus 75 plus 85 plus x equals to 360. Okay, angles around a point is 360 degree. Now just add them. 125 plus 75, 200, 200 plus 85, 285 plus x equals to 360. Right? Now transpose this 285 from left hand side to right hand side. 360 minus 285. So x will 10 minus 5, 5, 15 minus 8, 7. So it will come 75. Okay. So x equals to 75 degree. Right. Now we are going to move to the another question. Here they have said if angle 1 is 65, find all other angles. Here there are 4 angles, angle 1, 2, and this is angle 3 and this is angle 4. These two lines are intersecting, they are forming the X. They are vertical opposite angles, right? So when we talk about the vertical opposite angle, angle 1 is equals to angle 3. Angle 1 will be equals to angle 3, which is 65 degree. Reason, vertical opposite angle. Right? Now if you see, just I am showing you by the pen, you can see right now if this pen is kept like this, that means it is showing one straight line. One more pen I have kept it, it is showing that this straight line has been divided into two angle parts. These angle parts are 1 and 4. That means 1 and 4 are forming the linear pair. So sum of the linear pair is always 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 4 equals to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. Now put the value of angle 1, it is 65. Angle 4 equals to, you can find after the transposition, angle 4 equals to 180 minus 65. So what will come? Angle 4 equals to 115. Right? You have calculated. Now angle 4 is opposite to angle 2. Why? They are vertical opposite angle. Right? So in this way, you have calculated all the angles. Angle 1 equals to angle 3 equals to 65 degree. Angle 2 equals to angle 4 equals to 115 degree. Okay. So you can apply the properties of angle pair in the given figures also. Till then, keep practicing. Subscribe my channel and try to see the concept once or twice so that your practice can be improved, your concept can be improved. Till then, keep practicing, keep liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Although one more video is there on this lines of angle topic, in which a little complicated problems I am going to use. Till then, keep practicing. Bye. Good night.